No.
Did you get the Colorado? Yeah.
No, it's still Colorado. This looks big.
Run you down this
We'll go down this way and get back in. Huh?
Alright, let's go. Right here.
That's right.
What?
We drop in right here and go left. Well, we gotta do something.
Seven drop.
Look, they're all over there on that ridge. Worn out, dude. Yeah, I'll wait on Morgan though. Dude, let's see if we can do a shot right through here. Y'all get in front of me. Oh, there's a hole. Where's Morgan? Alright, Tyler, I'm behind you. Go. Oh, pow.
You were hauling the mail. Chris, did you follow me?
Hell yeah, until I fell.
He ate it hard.
Rip my helmet off.
Hey, we need to bend back to the right when we get down here. Okay. Was that worth freaking wind? Was that worth the hike?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
I won't do it again though.
Huh?
I won't do it again until tomorrow. Let's die down, we'll get back over there. Alright, let's roll. Hey, dick. Bad idea. Oh, dude, this is sick over here. Yeah, I got you. Gotta go at that same spot, those rocks over here. Right where I was. This is all rocks. Come this way. There's a big ass rock down here. Yeah.
I hit those little bitty trees.
Dude, you didn't even give yourself a chance. Oh, the trees clipped you?
Those little trees caught me.
Oh.
That was awesome. Here we go, y'all ready?
Let's go, Ty. This was so worth it over here, dude. Look at all this over here. Let's cut across this way and then make a long swoop to the right.
Okay. Hey, we gotta keep our speed up. We can't do that.
I know, we just gotta roll. Tyler, this is it, man. We gotta to the right where that border went. Morgan.
Huh?
We're going where that border is over there.
It's flat.
Oh, you see where there's a little jump right there?
Yeah, I saw it.
Do it.
You ready? Here you go. Hey, keep your speed up. Where are we going? Forward right.
Hit that jump, Morgan.